The laws of logic unlocking implementation. This presentation explores the fundamental laws of logic. We will delve into logical implications. These principles are vital for reasoning and computations. Core principles. The three laws of thoughts are law of identity, law of non-contradiction, law of excluded middle. A is equals to A. Everything is identical to itself. A statement and its negations cannot both be true. Either a statement or its negation must be true. These fundamental laws guide all the logical reasoning, the truth about the reality and knowledge, understanding the clear thinking. Propositional logic, building blocks of reasoning, propositions, logical operations, truth tables, propositions, statements that are true or false. Example, it is raining. Logical operators, symbol connection, connecting or modifying propositions and or not implies. Truth table, chart showing component proposition truth value for all combinations. Propositional logic forms the base of formal reasoning. It uses simple statement and operators. Truth table visualize their combined validity. Logical implications if then. Definition example when false. A implies is B bracket A dot B bracket close. If A is true, then B must also be true. Example, if it is raining A, then the ground is wet B. When false, A dot B is only false when A is true and B is false. Logical implications is fundamental of conditional statement. It defines a crucial relationship. It links a premise to a consequence. Understanding truth table for implications. First is true, true, true. Second is true, false, false. Third is false, true, true. Fourth is false, false, true. When A is false A dot B is always true. This is a key aspect of implication. It often surprises those new to logical units. Necessary versus sufficient condition. Sufficient condition aid B. If A is true, B is guaranteed to be true. A is enough for B. Example, being a square A is sufficient for being a rectangle B. Necessary condition A B. A cannot be true without B also being true. B is required for A. For example, being a rectangle B is necessary for being square A. Distinguishing between these two conditions is vital. It clarifies the condition relationship. It avoids the common logical error. Common pitfalls and misconceptions. Correlations versus causations. Correlations does not imply causations. A does not necessarily cause B. Converse error. Assuming A dot B implies B dot A. This is often false. Inverse error. Assuming A dash B implies A dash dash B. This is also often false. These logical pitfalls are frequent. They lead to incorrect conclusion. Awareness improves critical thinking. Conclusion. The power of logical implications. For second and third. First is powerful resource tool. Second is improved critical thinking. Third is essential for success. First, implications is essential for second decision making. Second is understanding nuisance enhances analytical skills. Third is vital in math, computer science, and many other fields. Mastering logical implications is a key. It empowers deeper understanding. It unlocks robust problem solving. Thank you so much. We appreciate your attention to this presentation. May your understanding of logical continues to grow. Thank you. Further explorations. We have three pictures here. Continues your journey into a fascinating world of logic and its applications in various disciplines. Explores further resources and practical examples.